Frase Enterprise Content Marketing App. The pros, the cons. Frase Enterprise Content Marketing App is changing how businesses create and optimize content at scale. But is it really the secret weapon marketers claim it to be? Let's find out the real pros and cons. First, the pros. Frase stands out for its ability to streamline the entire content workflow from research and outlining to writing and optimization. Most people get this wrong. They think tools just generate text. But Frase goes further. It analyzes top-performing search results in real time, then helps you create outlines that match user intent and SEO potential. The built-in writer can draft, summarize, and rewrite content while keeping tone and structure consistent. Enterprises especially benefit from Frase's ability to manage multiple writers, track optimization scores, and maintain SEO alignment across large content teams. Now, the cons. The surprising truth is that Frase can sometimes sound formulaic without proper human editing. While it's powerful for SEO, it still needs creative oversight to ensure originality and emotional engagement. Some users also find the keyword recommendations less advanced than dedicated SEO tools like Surfer or Ahrefs. And while Frase is affordable for small teams, enterprise-level pricing can increase quickly when scaling to multiple users and projects. In conclusion, Frase Enterprise Content Marketing App is a fantastic solution for teams aiming to save time and boost their SEO performance. It's best used as a co-pilot combining efficiency with human creativity. For enterprises looking to streamline content creation, Frase delivers measurable results. Just remember, the best marketing content still needs a human touch to connect, convert, and inspire.